All right, now let's test your hearing. Good, good. All right, now let's test your rhythm.